just got my second Grove Collaborative box today, just delivered to my door. And so I thought I would do an unboxing. So I haven't pre-cut this box open yet. But I know I have some goodies in here that I'm very excited about. So here is my packing slip. And these are the towels, marigold yellow. This is for the fall because I got the fall Mrs. Meyer's set in the pumpkin set. So this will be going with that. Again, the wonderful pre-packing that they do. Let's see here. I got some more of the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. I'm really loving this right here. I've been using it for probably about a month now. Let's see, I got the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. So I've never tried these before. I've always used Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes. So I wanted to give this a try. I got some more of the 7th generation dishwasher tablets. I did get these in my last order and I really like them. They do a great job. My dishes have been coming clean. Not a lot of residue left on, or no residue actually left on them. And sometimes I don't even pre-rinse them and they're still coming clean. So those are absolutely wonderful. I recommend them. Let's see, I believe this right here was a free gift with my order. And it's just the hand sanitizer in the blood orange. I got some of that on my last order and I really liked it as well. And I got mint and argan lip balm, which is I guess kind of like a chapstick. This was also a free gift with my order. And I got the Grove Collaborative Bubble Up. Let's see if I can get this open here. I see a lot of people who have this, and it is, if I can get it out, it is just the little container that you put your dish soap in. And you can use this just to scrub your dishes. So, oh, I dropped it. I've been waiting on this. I'm very excited for that. And I got some more of the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Facial Cleanser, the pineapple enzyme. I've been using this for about a month now because I got this in my first Grove Collaborative order. And I absolutely love this. I have fallen massively in love with this and will probably include this with every order that I get from Grove Collaborative. And now, let's see, here's just a little booklet included and it just kind of is the story. It looks like just kind of the story behind the Grove Collaborative. And now here is what I've really been waiting for the most. I got the new fall, and it is pumpkin, the Mrs. Meyer's 5-piece set. So this is the dishwashing liquid. This is the hand soap, the all-purpose cleaner, hold on, that's pumpkin. Oh, hold on. Okay, I got confused. This is pumpkin. So this came with my Mrs. Meyer's 5-piece set. This was a free set, or no, it wasn't a free set. It was, I think it was $29 for the pre-buy. But it was pumpkin, and that's the all-purpose cleaner, the dish soap, the hand soap. I got the Marigold towel, the dish towel, and then I got a maple and nutmeg soy candle, which smells amazing. So this right here was the fall set that I pre-ordered, and so I received that. This is geranium hand soap, and I ordered it with my regular order. So out of all of this, I've got these 5-piece set right here, fall scents, pumpkin scented. And let me give this a little quick test and see how it smells. It is fall. Oh, it smells delicious. And it smells like pumpkin and fall. So, okay. So my order included this 5-piece fall set with the towel, the candle. And then my order was for the bathroom cleaner, the wipes, the dishwasher tablets, the face cleanser, the hand soap in geranium, and I want to smell that real quick. Oh, that smells very good. It smells like flowers, like you're going out into the flower garden. And the little bubble up scrubbing brush. So this was what I ordered. And all of these products right here I gave, I believe my order was $39. The fall set was $29, and that included the 3 Mrs. Meyer's pieces, the dish towel, and the soy candle, maple and nutmeg. And I got the 2 free gifts, hand sanitizer and lip balm. So all in all, this was a wonderful, wonderful order from Grove Collaborative. Lots of good products to try. Some amazing scents here. The pineapple scent is absolutely delicious. It's great washing your face in the morning with the pineapple scent. The geranium scent smells amazing. The candle, the pumpkin scent, wonderful. So I am very, very, very happy with my order this month, and I am very excited to get started using all my new products from Grove Collaborative.